Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Goode with your weekly update. I want to say thank you to the street maintenance team led by Superintendent Brian Scott. They did a great job last week of making sure the roads were clear and safe during the snow event. We appreciate their dedication through long hours and cold temperatures. I would again like to take this moment to offer my sincere condolences to Rowle Simmons' family and friends. Rowle was a former mayor of Prescott serving from 2001 to 2007, and he also served as a Yavapai County supervisor from 2013 to 2020. During his time as mayor, the Granite Street parking garage was built, as was the adult center, which was named after him, and the library was also remodeled. I want to recognize his many contributions to our community. Rowle will be missed. In March, we'll hold our Household Hazardous Waste event, which will also allow residents to safely dispose of unwanted household hazardous waste. The pickup dates will be from March 3rd through March 28th, but you must pre-register for this contracted curbside pickup event. Registration opens today and will run through March 21st. This event is exclusively for residential trash customers and is not available to commercial businesses and apartment complexes. Accepted materials include, but are not limited to, insecticides, pesticides, gasoline, car batteries, drain and oven cleaners, bleaches, oil-based paints, stains or thinners with a 5-gallon limit, latex paints with a 20-gallon limit, adhesives, and non-alkaline batteries. All items will need to be in a box labeled HHW for household hazardous waste and placed in front of your home 6 to 10 feet up from your curb so it can be safely and easily seen by our contractor for pickup on your scheduled day. If you're not sure if an item is hazardous, we have a recycle wizard to help you learn how to safely dispose of your items. Remember, this event is exclusively for residential utility customers. Commercial businesses will not receive these services. If you have additional questions, please visit PrescottRecycles.com or call our team at 928-777-1116. This week we'll have a Council Subcommittee on Water Issues meeting at 9:30 a.m. in Council Chambers tomorrow, February 4th. We'll also have a special City Council meeting tomorrow. This meeting offers an opportunity to review and reconsider the citizen petition submitted by Bonnie McMinn and Rod Moyer, which would amend the city charter to automatically apply open space protections to any city-owned property zoned as natural open space, and any city-owned property designated as open space on the general plan's land use map. Such properties could only be used for limited open space purposes and would not be able to be sold, leased, or otherwise encumbered without a vote of the residents of the city. The item was discussed during Tuesday's January 14th voting meeting, and Council requested that the proposed ordinance be denied pending the scheduling of a special meeting to potentially refine the petition language for adoption. Our city staff has met with the petitioners and will present an updated draft that clarifies which uses would be allowed in effective city-owned open space property. Staff has also prepared an alternative draft amendment for council consideration. At this time, the staff is recommending that the council continue the voting meeting discussion, receive additional presentation regarding this matter, and adopt a revised ordinance or provide additional direction if further revisions are desired. The Mayor's Veterans Commission will meet on Wednesday, February 5th at 9 a.m. at the U.S. Vets Hub, 120 North Marina Street. Please note that this is a temporary location for this commission to meet. On February 5th at 10 a.m., the Workforce Housing Committee will be meeting in council chambers here in City Hall. Speaking of the City of Prescott Workforce Housing Committee, they hosted a community town hall meeting last Thursday. I was very pleased that they had a great turnout and participation. I believe that progress is being made. However, this is a complex issue to tackle, and it'll take more time to reach some workable solutions. Next Monday, February 10th, the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee meets in council chambers at 9 a.m. I'm Mayor Phil Goode, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.